Hey guys, it's your girl Riri again, back in the building like she never left, back with another video. Looking real bougie. Period. I'm playing. So before we get into the video, I want to give you guys like an update. I'm trying to update my sneaker collection, which I'm like buying sneakers to like update my collection. I have more. So lately I've been buying like every disclaimer, I may not be as educated as most people would be on sneakers. I am a sneakers girl. I do love sneakers more than I love heels, but this is just me sharing how I feel about the sneakers. This is my first ever review and first ever Air Jordan, so please don't feel offended or feel any type of way about what I say and how I describe it. So yeah, but yeah, we are doing the y'all, when I saw this, I was just like, I need to have it. Like, I'm a sneakers head, but I've never had the pleasure, I feel, opportunity to buy every sneakers I always wanted because I wasn't working. I was a broke bum bitch. But now I'm a balanced, almost broke bum bitch. So I can afford to buy my own sneakers now and buy whatever I want now because I'm working and that's on period. And when I saw this, I was like, I need this. And I'm a big fan of Air Jordans. Like, they're like trending now, but I've always been a big fan of Air Jordans. So I was like, I have to have it. Like, and y'all, I was telling y'all, I missed out on the quartz purple. The quartz purple. I'll put a picture right here so I can see what I'm talking about. I missed out on it. Like, I was crying. I waited up. And I still missed it because I ended up falling asleep like the hour before it was dropped. And by the time I wake up like 2 hours later, it was sold out. And you know, being the fact that it's a men's shoe, I was like, are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Y'all niggas ain't going nowhere. Y'all do not need the shoes. Y'all are not going nowhere. Why y'all rush to buy out the shoe? Like, it was upsetting to me because it was just like, bro. But then I have to realize that, you know, sneakers sell out way quick. So these are like my first pair of Air Jordans that I bought with my own money. Like, my first pair of Air Jordans. And it's like my favorite pair right now because I feel like every woman needs this. Like, I feel like everybody needs this one because this is perfect. So I took it out of the box already because I don't want to keep the box in my room. As I said, you know, coronavirus is out there and I don't want it to come in close to me or get it on me or, you know, infected me. So it's just like, I opened it, took it out, but I haven't tried it on or nothing. But I'm so excited. Oh my god, y'all. The one thing I would say though about the packaging, this is really cute. I like the white box because, you know, black is my favorite color, but white and blue falls in line. And the fact that it has this nice gold, if you like move it, you can see like how it looks. I just love the packaging. And then the back of it has Nike, has a Nike sign, has a Nike logo. It has Just Do It. It has like all that stuff. I mean, I don't know if I can close it. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Can you see? With the gold and everything. Like, I feel like this is so cute. And it being a white box, and then they have like I wear size 6. This is size 6 in kids, I think. Yeah. I think I bought this in 6 in kids. I don't know. I'll put it up in this. No, I actually got this in a women's 6. I'm either a 6 or a 6.5 in women's. Sometimes 7s, but it also depends on like the shoe and the make of the shoe and how the shoe is formed. And in kids, I'm also a 6 in kids. I don't know. It kind of worked like like boys grade school. Yeah, not really kids, but grade school. For boys, I'm a 6 or a 6.5 or 6.5. I mean, it's kind of the same. And for men, I am a 4.5 or a 5. So yeah, so my sneaker, my feet kind of varies depending on the shape of the sneakers. So cute. But y'all, oh my god, wait, I gotta put it out. I gotta get it out. When I tell you, look at, okay, let's get into details now. I feel like you need this, and it comes with the laces too. So it comes with this purple and yellow lace, and it also have this white one, and then you also have the black ones. Now, we bring it. I'm about to stick these in here first. Y'all not see that shine? Let me give you a good view of this shoe. Don't mind here, I kind of fucked it up just now, but let me give you a good view. Brand new, never worn or nothing. Those are from the, I don't know, but I haven't worn this outside or anything yet, so I haven't put my foot in it yet. I really haven't, so I want to like put my foot in it. But this is like, has that new sneaker smell? Oh my god, you need it. I feel like if you're not a fan of colors, you're not a person of color, it's okay, because this can go with anything. Like a good joggers, this can go with like some nice white joggers, or like a good purple, like very light purple, like this color purple joggers, even with some some great black joggers. This will go great. And a nice white t-shirt with like a nice colorful design on it. Boom, bitch. Boom, bitch. But look at this bad boy. This just came out. I can't remember when it did come out though. I think it was like a couple weeks ago. My size no more in this. Now let's get into detail. I like the fact, I don't like this lace. I don't think I'll ever be using this lace on there because I feel like this is cute. This is I don't know. To me, I'll never use that. I'm either gonna use the black, but I really want to try out the white. So I might just style it up. But I have so many outfits I can wear this with. Like I can just tell you guys, just so you can wear this with so many outfits. Now, what I do like a lot, cause I say black is my favorite color. I love how the Nike sign black, it comes all the way here, it goes all the way around, and it comes here. Tell me if that's not lit. Look, do you see that? Do you see that shine? I love that about the sneakers, and I love the little red details because it hardly has any red details, but this little red treading, as you can see. That's really cute, and they have one here, and that's already here. Now, I'm not a fan of mint green, but this mint green around here, I'm not really a fan of it, but I feel like it show out the sneakers even better, so I'm not even gonna hold you. And the fact that it's also around here, I feel like these are the little details that I really liked about it that stand out. Now, I don't have no orange shoes. I love the orange. This multicolor is perfect, and it has suede, camouflage. Like it's all like, I don't know. It's hard to explain how the sneakers make me feel because it's so fucking pretty. And I love the blue, as I said, light blue. Like this is like this is not like light blue. This is like, I won't say sky blue either. It's blue, but it's not that dark. It's probably light blue. I'm gonna stick with light blue. When I say light blue, I mean like light blue. But I love the. I feel like every color just shows out this shoe. You can see every color. Like see how pigmented that is too. How shiny. I really love this black. The Nike sign all the way around. That really stand up for it not being for being a medium and not being like the highs and being a medium. It's so fucking perfect. It's really sturdy. I would say the front piece is not that hard, like the back of it. It's soft. It's not that soft, but it's not that hard either. I guess it's because of the suede, but it's not that hard and it's not that ugly. Like it's really cute though, but I'm okay with it. I don't really have a big problem. The shoe in general just really stands out, and it's really fucking pretty. Like overall, these are wicked. Like these are wicked. They're super freaking cute. And also, you see how this is like cream. The inner sole right here. The tongue is like cream. I feel like that was a good idea. Because I mean, the fact that the whole shoe is already like colorful, it's multicolored, and if you put in black here would have been like so off. So using cream is like really stand out. And I like the black Air Jordan tag like with white. I don't know. I feel like every female, even male, I see males in this, and they're really styled it. Excuse me, like really good. Ooh, I'm hungry. But they really styled it really good. And the purple and the Air Jordan sign is right here, and it's in black, which stands out great under purple. I'm telling you, you can really style these sneakers with anything. Like, best believe me. I have like the perfect purse. I can't wait to style it because I have so many ideas for this. Like, it's just gonna go really great. Hello, who's calling? I can't hear you. Hello? Hello? Who's there? Oh, okay. I played too much, but this is so cute. Like, this is really cute. And look how it look when you line it up. Look. Do you not see how cute this shoe is? Like, you need this shoe. And I only paid $125 for this. It was only $125, and I got this on Foot Action. I actually got it from Foot Action, and this is bomb. Like, this is really bomb. Yeah, like, I love it. I feel like everybody deserves to have this sneakers. I feel like it's at a cheap price too, $125. That's really cheap. As I said, I even see men in this and boys in this because it's really cute. And that's just how I feel about it, yo. I can't wait to wear these.
My feet up so you guys can see it. Oh my god. So it has a little bit of space right here, as you guys can see.
Anyways, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get an update whenever your girl posts. I said that really fast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get an update whenever I post, because I got more sneakers coming and I got more amazing videos coming. Yeah, we're good. Bye.